Hello friends, I'm Miss Rebecca and here's Monty Bear. Thank you for joining us today. We're really happy to see you. Monty Bear and I want to share with you something that we've been doing in our classroom during the week. We've been making some different sensory bottles and jars to put in our calming corner. So our calming corner that we're making is a nice, cozy, quiet place that we can go to when we've got really big feelings and we want to bring them back down and feel nice and normal again. So we put these in our calming corner to help us do our belly breaths. Remember we did that in one of Monty Bear's stories? So this one today is a really good one because it's actually a smelling and a listening one as well. So the things we need are a water bottle. Yeah, we had the water already out of it. Now this water bottle, once you've had the water, you need to ask an adult to help you with a knife or a sharp pointy object, and you need to push the knife in so you can make some holes. Tiny, tiny little holes, not big ones. So I've already done all of this and the holes are already in the jar here now. Then what we need is in here, I've got some nice smelly lavender. Good smell it is. Do you want to have a smell, Monty? Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Also helps you sleeping at night too. We've got some glitter. We saved some from our other sensory bottles we used. Gold glitter and silver glitter. And guess what this is? It's rice. Yeah, rice that you eat. But this one we don't eat because we've made it some different colours. We've got blue rice and red rice. Now, if you want to make it a different colour, an adult can help you, and you get some vinegar and you mix it with some colours, put it in, and then you let it out to dry. So we did this one yesterday. So let's get started. We want to fill our bottle up about halfway with everything in it. So I'm going to use this funnel and spout, and I might put some of our glitter in. Oh, look at those sparkles go. And some more. Now, the next bit, we're going to put our rice in. Oh, listen to that sound it makes. There we go. Put the red rice in now. Oh, there's the sound it's making. I think there'll be enough. We can put some more in if we want to. Now, the best bit, the lavender smell. So I'll take the spout out here. Let's see, we'll do about 10 drops and then have a smell. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think we could do a little bit more, make it a really strong, good smell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 drops plus another 10 drops, 20 drops. Yes, we'll put 20 drops in. Let's put the lid on. Okay, you ready, Monty? So now what we're going to do, we're going to shake it all up together. I like that sound. Now, what we can do is, when we're in our calming corner, we can pick up our sensory bottle, and as we do it here, we put it on the side this time. And as we turn it around, it makes a really nice calming sound. And I can see all the rice and the glitter and have a smell, Monty. It's a great smell because an adult helps to put these little holes in. As you're going around and looking at the rice and the glitter and you're listening to the sound, you can smell it as well. So this can help us to do our belly breaths. Shall we have a go? You ready, Monty? Let's have a go together. So as we turn it around, 1, 2, 3. Good sound, smell. Oh, okay, let's do our belly breaths. You ready? Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. How do you feel? Wow, I feel so calm, and that smell that's coming out of the bottle through the little holes. Oh, I feel so relaxed. How are you feeling, Monty? Thumbs up too? Yes. So, if you click below and subscribe to our YouTube channel, we can show you lots of other sensory jars you could make to put inside your calming corner as well. So, Monty Bear, say bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye friends. Thanks for joining us.